video on this YouTube channel whereby I will be teaching you how to develop applications in Android Studio. So, this course is for beginners who are enthusiastic about developing apps in Android. So, it's for absolute beginners. So, I will take you step by step. So, you just need to trust me and follow suit. So the IDE that we're going to use, which is the integrated development environment, whereby we'll be writing our code, is Android Studio. You just need to go on Google and type Android Studio, or just to look for a video for installing Android Studio, which I already installed in my computer. And you also need to install some SDK, Java SDK, so that you will be able to code very well. So the language that we're going to be using is Java, which is one of the popular languages even in the industry, which if you have it, you'll be guaranteed a job. Especially why we are targeting Android, because there are more than 1 billion users of people who are using Android phones, Android systems, which means if you can learn this concept, if you can learn this programming language, the Java, so that you can create your applications, you'll be very, very in the good in whatever you're doing, and you'll be in the right way. So at the end of the day, the project that we want to build is food delivery application. The e-commerce is taking over. People now, they no longer go to the shops and do stuff. Now they just go on the website, they go on their apps and do. So we're going to be learning how to code such an application. So our first thing, I started from zero. As a programmer, we don't start to count at one. We start to count from zero. So I'm going to be showing you the structure of how the files they are laid inside Android Studio. When you create a new project, how are files laid in Android Studio, so that when you're coding, you don't waste time looking for unnecessary files or looking for files in the wrong place. So I'm going to show you the structure of the files in Android Studio, and also from there we move on straight to the splash screen. Many applications now, when they are starting, they just don't start going to the main page once. They start by a splash screen, whereby the app, it will be loading necessary features and stuff. We're not just showing the user a white screen, but it will be showing you something, be it a logo or something. We'll see how we can make it amazing. So we'll start as a splash screen. From splash screen, we'll go to our home page, which is the welcome page, which is telling the user from there it must be user friendly. Our user interface must be straightforward and attractive. From there, the user can select whether they want to go to a login page or they want to go to a register page. From there, remember, our application is made up of two people, which is the user and the admin. The user, does the user do? The user comes to the app and he orders the things that he wants. He orders the food. Then the admin sees that order and delivers it. So we also have the admin login, which means they are in a different table but the same database. So the user cannot log into the admin side, and the admin side cannot log into the user side. Then we go to the profile, whereby we'll be having your picture, your phone number, that when you order, the company will call you or the restaurant will call you. We also have slides for food pictures. Let's say you're having maybe some specials. The restaurant can post pictures that will be sliding. It'll be nice. You'll see it. It'll be nice. Then we go to the menu, which will be the list of the foods that are available. This one, only the admin is the one who can post. What the user can do is only to see those products that the user the admin has posted, and he can make an order. The cart, we all know, I think, what a cart is. When you are a user, you go and select the product that you want. You store them in a cart. Then when you are done, now you can proceed to ordering. In our application, we're gonna make it a cash on delivery. Then from there, when we finalize the order, we can now track our delivery. Where is it? Where is the driver, using Google Maps and stuff? So from the app, we initialize the phone number so that you can call the restaurant without you leaving the app. We just call in, we'll put the call in functions inside the app so that you can fill. And some of the extras that we'll put, which we don't